I don't know what's going on right here. I keep on pressing the next button as I'm uploading this brand new YouTube video. You guys have this happen? I just did a food review on these Poppy's mini cream puffs. They're so good. I'm trying to bring it live to you guys, but the next button does nothing. What kind of glitch is this? What are you doing, YouTube? Let me go back. I can't even go back. What's going on here? See something's... Come on. Oh, man. Okay. Let me bring up something. Let me see if it's actually uploading. Whoops. Pressed the wrong one. Okay. Oh, it's still in draft mode. That's weird. What if I come over here and edit the draft mode? Maybe I can take control of it from here? Ah, see? I think I figured out a way how to fix this. So if you guys ever encounter that problem, just simply bring up a brand new YouTube page and manually force it to work. There you go. It's being published. Wow. Come on, YouTube, get your game together, because I'm getting my game together. You guys need to do the same. Well, I hope this helps, guys. Best of luck. And for those of you wondering, what do I do with this one? All you can do, same page, just hit a quick reload because you already published it. You don't have to worry about it. You can probably close out the page too, because after all, once it's published, you're pretty much good to go. It's just needs the YouTube's end to process the video. See?